Okay, this is a hack I saw on Facebook. It's not originally mine, but you could do this at home because people are running out of face masks. Get half of the paper towel and make a fan out of it. You know how to do this. When you were a kid, gumagawa ka ng pamaypay mula sa papel. Crease, ganyan. Ganyan. Pag mainit, pwede pay-pay. Pero that's not the purpose. The purpose is like this. Get rubber band, put it on that side, and then staple it. Okay, on the other side. Gonna put it, you can expand it now, and then from there you could wear it. See, the good thing is you have air inside, you're not suffocated. Tsaka at the end you could dispose this, keep the rubber band, recycle all the time. You should have a supply of paper towels. Okay, so be safe, try to do this hack.